Let's start with this image. I'm going to clean up the dark spots on her face, and it's surprisingly easy. Next, using the same photo, I'll change her outfit to black and drop her into a snowy landscape. Looks amazing, right? Now let's take this empty plate and turn it into a delicious dish of spaghetti. Just watch. Then, I'll transform this simple image into a cinematic style edit. Check out that dramatic upgrade. And finally, I'll take this photo and zoom in on the bird, making it ultra sharp and detailed. To really show the difference, here's a zoom in on the original. See how blurry it was? Now compare it to the enhanced version. This is insane. Alright. So what's the magic behind all those edits? This is FLUX.1 Kontext, the latest breakthrough from Black Forest Labs. It's not just another AI image tool. It's a system that understands both text and images together, allowing you to edit photos using simple prompts, while keeping every important detail exactly where it belongs. Unlike many models that regenerate the entire image, Kontext makes targeted edits, preserving characters, style, and structure with incredible consistency. It handles everything from precise local edits, to style transfers, to multi-step transformations, all without losing quality. There are two versions available, Kontext Pro, for fast, multi-step editing, and Kontext Max, for higher quality, better prompt following, and advanced typography. They've also released Playground, a web-based platform where businesses and creators can try the models before integrating them into their tools using APIs. Now, tools like GPT-4o have made big progress in editing through text, but they often recreate images from scratch, losing small but important details. Kontext changes that, offering faster speeds and much better consistency, especially when it matters most. Now, let me show you how it works. Click the link in the description, it'll take you straight to this page. You'll get 200 free credits just for signing up, and each image generation costs only 4 credits. Simply sign in using your Google account or email, whichever you prefer. And that's it, you're in. This tool is super simple and user-friendly. You'll see 4 main options on the left: generate, edit, fill, and expand. We'll try each one. Let's start with generate, which lets you create an image from text or a reference photo. Here, you can upload a reference image, and just below, select the model. Make sure to choose the latest one, FLUX.1 Kontext Pro, it gives the best results. Now let's open the settings. You can choose the aspect ratio, select how many images you want to generate, I'll choose 2 to save credits, adjust the safety filter, and set your preferred format, PNG or JPG. Let's try an example. I have a photo of a hijabi girl wearing a white outfit, holding a little puppy. Let's change her outfit to black and make it snow by typing. Change the girl's outfit to a black outfit and set the weather to snowy. Then click Generate. Let's wait a moment. And here it is. 2 new images, the same girl, now in a snowy setting with a black outfit. That's all from just 1 line of text. Let's try another example. This time, I want to change the background of this girl to the sea. And have her holding a phone instead of a camera. So I'll type, change the background of the girl into the sea, and now she is holding a phone instead of a camera. And hit generate. Here's the result. Wow, it looks great. The sea in the background, her pose, and the way she's holding the phone, all look super realistic. It's like you take one photo of yourself and say, bring me anywhere. Now we have this empty plate. Let's ask the AI to fill the plate by typing, fill this plate with spaghetti topped with rich, savory meat sauce. Here's the result. The first image added the spaghetti but removed a few side items. But the second one? Perfect. It looks so realistic, like a real photo from a restaurant menu. Next, let's zoom in on this bird photo. It's far away, so let's try to get a close-up. I'll type, close-up of the bird, ultra-sharp details of the bird, professional wildlife photography. Let's see the result. The first attempt didn't quite match. Maybe the bird was too far for the AI to recognize well. Let's try again. Alright, this time it worked. The zoomed image keeps consistency and looks like it was shot with a high-end wildlife camera. Super sharp and beautiful. Now let's move on to the next feature, Edit, where you can change parts of an image using just a simple line of text. We'll start with this black and white photo of a girl. First, upload your image. Then open the settings. Set the batch size to 2 so you get 2 different results. Note, in the Edit tool, there's no aspect ratio option, it keeps the original size and framing. Only the changes you describe will be applied. If you want to expand beyond the original frame, use the Expand tool, we'll get to that next. Now let's type, colorize this photo and hit Generate. Here's the result. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Now you can clearly see how vibrant the girl looks in full color. Let's try another one. In this image, the girl has some dark spots on her face. We'll clean it up with a single sentence, remove the black dots from the girl's face. And here's the result. The first image slightly changed her facial features, like the lips, but the second one is perfect. It simply cleaned up the dark spots while keeping her natural look. This kind of touch-up would take a lot of time in Photoshop, but here, it took less than a minute, and just 1 sentence. Amazing! Now let's remove a watermark. We'll type, remove the watermarks and generate. Here's the result, gone, no more annoying watermarks. Clean and professional. Now we have this raw photo of a man. Let's give it a cinematic vibe by typing. Turn this raw photo into a cinematic style image with dramatic lighting and enhanced color grading. Check out the result. Wow, look at that transformation. The lighting, mood, and color grading feel straight out of a movie. With just a photo and a prompt, you can make stunning edits, no Photoshop, no complex tools. Just upload, describe, and done. Alright, now let's move on to the Expand feature, where you can grow your image beyond its original size in any direction. Let's use the image we edited earlier. First, upload the image. Then choose your preferred size. You can either set a custom width and height, or choose a preset like landscape, portrait, or square. For this example, I'll go with landscape, and set the batch size to 4, so we get 4 different versions. Now hit Generate, and here are the results. The first and last images expanded really well, the new surroundings blend naturally. The second and third didn't quite get it right, but the overall outcome is still impressive. Next up is the Fill feature. This allows you to either remove or add objects to your image. We'll use this image and try adding a cat. First, upload the image. Then select the area where you want to place the cat. Now type, add a cat and click Generate. Here are the results. The first image isn't bad, but the second one is incredible. Look closely, the cat even has a shadow, like it was there all along. This model, FLUX.1 Kontext, is one of the best AI image editing tools available right now. You can use it for all kinds of creative tasks, turning sketches into realistic images, changing text on IDs or labels, turning someone's outfit into a product-style photo, and much more. Just upload, describe what you want, and let the AI do the rest. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope it helped you understand how powerful and flexible this tool is. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.